Tasman Rope Access, we provide industrial rope access technicians. We remove the requirement for scaffold. We have working at height technicians. We install our own rope systems and off we go. First of all, we have a buddy system in place for the support. All new veterans come on board. They're either paired with a previous veteran or someone which has been around the company for a very long period of time. You've got your mates around you and you always bring that positive attitude to the work site. That's exactly what we want.
The job's important to me. It provides a stable income, it's a supportive network, and it's giving something back to the wider community, not just the veteran community. Actually having people who understood where I was coming from, they will always take that extra step to make sure that you're okay and your family are okay. And I think that's a very important thing.
We've got mental health first aid training. What we're doing is equipping our frontline supervisors with that knowledge of being able to identify changes in our individuals.
The program is beneficial to me because I saw it not just for myself, but as a veterans program, it doesn't look at what gender you are, what religion or background you are. Everyone is on the same playing field. Everyone's equal in that regard. And that, to me, is a really important thing as well.
Since we've been hiring veterans, it's really cemented our position in the industry. Our goal is to make sure that Tasman Rope Access becomes a preferred employer for Australian Defence Force veterans coming through and that the program continues to grow.